Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install BoxBilling on AlmaLinux 9. First, update all system packages to their latest versions to ensure your server is secure and ready for new software. Next, install the Apache web server, which will serve BoxBilling's web interface. Then, enable Apache to start at boot and start the service immediately. Continue to install MariaDB server and client packages to provide the database backend for BoxBilling. After that, start MariaDB and configure it to start automatically on system boot. Now, add the EPEL software repository, which provides additional packages needed on enterprise Linux systems. Next, install the REMI repository that includes updated PHP versions required by BoxBilling. Reset the default PHP module to allow switching versions. Then, enable PHP 8.2 from REMI, ensuring compatibility with BoxBilling. Next, install PHP 8.2 and all extensions needed for BoxBilling. Then, restart Apache so it can load the PHP module. Next, run an interactive script to secure MariaDB by setting a root password and removing insecure defaults. Now, log in to MariaDB as the root user. Inside the MySQL prompt, run the following exact commands. Next, move to Apache's default web root directory. Download the latest BoxBilling release from GitHub. Continue to extract BoxBilling into a folder named BoxBilling. Assign ownership of BoxBilling files to Apache. Then, set appropriate permissions so Apache can read and execute files. Next, open a new Apache configuration file. Paste the following lines. This defines how Apache serves the BoxBilling website. Then, apply the configuration by restarting Apache. Next, open the PHP configuration file. Then, modify or add the following lines. This increases resource limits to ensure smooth BoxBilling operation. After that, apply the PHP configuration changes. Next, create the required directories for BoxBilling. Give Apache ownership of the data directory. and ensure proper write permissions. After uploading and configuring all files, open your web browser and go to the following URL. The installer will walk you through preparation, database configuration, admin account setup, and finalization. Finally, you have now installed BoxBilling on AlmaLinux 9 using Apache, MariaDB, and PHP 8.2.